The chicken was seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Goya all-purpose seasoning, along with some Goya Szechuan. To a Dutch pot, I add some vegetable oil. After the oil is heated, then I add the chicken to the pot and fry on all sides. After the chicken is finished frying on all sides, I'm going to remove them and put them to the side. Remember, the chicken is not all the way cooked. It's about 80% cooked. So we're going to recook these chicken. To that same pot, I'm going to saute some vegetables. Here I have some onion, tomato, bell peppers, scallion, thyme, along with some garlic. I'm going to saute these herbs and vegetables for about a minute before I add some tomato paste. You can also use ketchup or any other sauce of your choice. After adding the tomato paste, I'm going to saute that a little more before I add some water to the pot. I'm going to cover and just steam the season for about another minute or two before adding some pepper and pimento seed. I was about to say before adding the chicken, then I realized that I didn't put the pepper pimento seed. So yeah, we're gonna add the pepper pimento seed and then we're gonna add our chicken to that pot. So we're gonna finish cook this chicken, and that took about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, I remove each pieces of chicken from the pot. And here we're gonna left with some nice juicy gravy. Once you're finished removing the chicken, we're gonna taste that pot to make sure it doesn't want anything. When I tasted, to me it needed a little more salt, but I chose to use a little all-purpose. And I also add some butter, which was optional. To that pot, I then add some washed jasmine rice. And here I am trying to get every grain out of the pan because people are always complaining, why you don't scrape the food out of the pan? So I did that. The trick for cooking a good rice and peas or any type of like one pot meal, just make sure that the liquid is no more than 1 inch above the rice. If it is, remove some of the liquid, because if you don't, the rice is gonna be soft. It's better you have less than the 1 inch of water than more. So here I checked on the rice and it was almost perfect. It didn't need any more water. So what I did was turn on the stove extremely low. Fluff the rice with a fork and then I cover tightly to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. For some, like if you check on the rice and the grains are a little tough, you can just add a little water around the rim of the rice and a little in the middle. Cover the pot tightly, or you can also put a bag or a damp napkin over the rice, cover it and just allow it to steam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step video, and like, share, repost, do what you gotta do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy as I just said, and I'm saying it again. So thanks guys.